Good evening.
Good evening.
Ito rin si Herzel, anak ni Nia. Thank you so much for coming tonight, and it really means so much to the family that everybody's here to celebrate my mom's retirement. And this is a really more than well-deserved party para sa akong mama. And it's really touching to see she was able to touch everybody's hearts and lives tonight. And actually, di pa niya siya thousand siguro. Kadaghan. And we just want to thank everyone and mami, congratulations. Sana all. Goals, gid siya, grabe. Murag akong parents may murag hero sa amo ang kinabuhi. And we look up to them so much, and we hope na maabot na mo ang ilahang naabot. And grabe ilahang iset na standard sa amoa. And we are very thankful to have them as our parents. Very thankful to have Helen as my mom. Love you, Mami.